This is example 3 of lesson 5.2 multiplying fractions. We've got our friend Christy here. She was making a smoothie and she had 3/8 of a cup of yogurt and she put 4/9 of that yogurt into a smoothie. What fraction of a cup of yogurt did she use in the smoothie is the question that we're going after here. So, important things to note. We have two fractions here and we have a very important word. That word is of. So, we know that she used 4/9 of the yogurt. And how much is the yogurt? Well, she had 3/8 of a cup of yogurt. Therefore, she used 4/9 of 3/8 of a cup. She used 4/9 of 3/8 of a cup. So, again, of, when I see of used like this, it means to multiply, which means that we are going to be solving 4/9 of times 3/8. If I can draw an 8 here. There we go. 4/9 times 3/8. Now there are a couple of ways that we can do this. We'll do both of them. First way, multiply straight across and then simplify. This equals 4 times 3 over 9 times 8. 4 times 3 is 12, and 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, now I can find a common factor of 12 and 72. I happen to know that 12 goes into both 12 and 72, so I'm going to divide by 12, both top and bottom. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 72 divided by 12 is 6. So she used 1/6 of the cup of yogurt. Now, the other way we can do this is simplify before you multiply. So I have the same problem, and I'll write it all in red. 4/9 times 3/8 equals 4 times 3 over 9 times 8. But this time I'm going to look and see if I have any common factors. Do I have any common factors on top and bottom? And actually, I do. I have 9 and 3. 9 and 3 both have a common factor, 3. So I can divide this by 3. Divide by 3. And I can divide this by 3. Down here. So now what I have over here is 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. What about the other ones, though? I absolutely can do 4 and 8 as well. I already did 4 and 8 in the last example, and I know that when I divide them both by 4, divide by 4, I get 1, and divide by 4, and I get 2. So that makes me have 3 times 2 here, and 1 up here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I've gone from 4 times 3 over 9 times 8 to 1 times 1 over 3 times 2, which, when I multiply that up, 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 2 is 6, and these two are equal. So if you prefer to multiply straight across and then simplify at the end, awesome, go ahead. If you prefer to simplify before you multiply, awesome, go ahead. The important thing to remember, though, in this case, is that our answer is, that was a bad way to end this. Okay, but yes, our answer is she used 1/6 of a total cup of yogurt in the smoothie. You don't need to find a common denominator. You don't need to have the same bottom number. You don't need to change anything. Just multiply straight across or simplify and then multiply.